There will come times when you have to follow a work process that requires you to plot from Modelspace. So what we need to do there is work with some scale areas and also work with a title block in our Model tab. So we have some tools that actually help us here by way of calculating scales and allowing us to work with scale overrides. Now I'm just going to show you the basic setup first, and then we'll look at the detail. So I have 4 scale areas here that need to plot within this particular title block. Now this particular title block here is an A3, an ISO A3. That makes it 420 millimeters along the bottom, 297 millimeters along a vertical edge. So what we're going to do is we're going to place these scale areas onto our drawing title block. Now that's easy. It's just a case of selecting all of the objects that make it up like so, right click, move on the shortcut menu, pick a base point, and I can drop that scale area straight in like that. I'm not actually changing anything. All I'm doing is moving those objects and that scale area to a different place in the Model tab. So that will plot at twice its original size, that scale area. So I need to be careful there and place these objects appropriately. Now, if I go to the A3 Landscape tab for a moment, you'll see there's nothing there. There are no viewports. What I'm looking at is plotting from the actual Model tab itself. To do that, what I need to do is right-click on the Model tab and go to Page Setup Manager or Plot. Now, if I was just going to do a one-off plot, I could just click on Plot there. Don't need to worry about any particular page setup, and I might be plotting that to an A3 PDF there, for example. So I could use the Primo PDF that I use, or I can actually use in Autocad Mechanical 2010 the DWG to PDF. It doesn't matter which. So I've got an ISO full bleed A3 297 by 420 millimeter sheet there. So what to plot? I go to Window here, and I select the corners. So I go, let's say, here to here. I'll do a preview of that. And as you can see there, look, that's plotting exactly how it looks on the drawing itself. So that's working fine, or is it? It's not actually plotting to a known scale yet. I need to look at that in more detail. So I'll right click and exit that and cancel that plot for the moment. So what I need to do now when I'm plotting from Modelspace is look at my scales and work with my scales and my scale areas. To do that, I need to utilize my scale monitor, and we'll look at that in the next exercise.